AI and religious thinking, navigating the ethical landscape. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we embark on a captivating exploration, the convergence of artificial intelligence and religious thinking. In the ever-evolving landscape of technology, questions about the impact of AI on our beliefs, spirituality, and ethical considerations become increasingly pertinent. Join me as we delve into this multifaceted and thought-provoking topic. As AI transforms various aspects of our lives, its intersection with religious and ethical frameworks has sparked intriguing debates. Some argue that AI challenges our traditional understanding of humanity and spirituality, while others see potential synergies between technology and faith. Today, we'll navigate through this complex relationship, exploring the nuances that arise when cutting-edge technology meets age-old beliefs. Theological considerations. To commence our exploration, let's delve into the theological considerations surrounding AI. Different religions possess unique perspectives on technology. Some view AI as a tool for enhancing society and alleviating human suffering, aligning with their core values. Conversely, concerns have been raised about the potential for AI to encroach upon divine domains, unsettling those who perceive creation as a sacred act. We'll explore these contrasting viewpoints and discuss how they shape the dialogue within various religious traditions. Ethical dilemmas. As we venture deeper into the realm of AI's impact on religious thinking, the ethical landscape becomes increasingly intricate. Algorithmic bias, a persistent challenge in AI development, raises questions about fairness and impartiality. How do these biases align with the ethical teachings of various faiths, where principles of justice and equality are often paramount? Additionally, the potential misuse of AI technologies raises moral concerns, especially when considering the unintended consequences that might clash with religious principles. This intersection demands a careful examination of how ethical considerations in AI resonate with the core tenets of diverse religious doctrines. As we navigate these ethical dilemmas, privacy concerns also come to the forefront. AI systems often process vast amounts of personal data, sparking debates about the protection of individual privacy, a value cherished in many religious traditions. How do we reconcile the convenience offered by AI with the need to safeguard personal boundaries emphasized by various faiths? Through a thorough analysis, we aim to understand whether these advancements align with the ethical teachings of religions, or if they introduce novel, ethical quandaries that demand a nuanced approach. By contemplating the guidance provided by religious doctrines, we strive to uncover insights that can aid us in navigating the intricate ethical complexities of AI development and deployment. AI in worship and rituals. Shifting our focus to practical applications, some religious institutions have begun integrating AI into worship and rituals. From AI-generated religious art to virtual assistants guiding worshipers through ceremonies, technology is reshaping traditional practices. We'll showcase specific examples and discuss how these innovations are received within religious communities. Can AI enhance spiritual experiences, or does it risk diluting the authenticity of religious rituals? Bridging the gap. Can AI serve as a catalyst for fostering understanding and dialogue among diverse religious communities? Initiatives are emerging that leverage AI to bridge gaps, promote tolerance, and facilitate interfaith communication. We'll explore the potential of such endeavors, examining whether AI can transcend cultural and religious boundaries, or if it introduces new challenges and complexities in navigating diverse belief systems. AI and the interpretation of sacred texts. Diving into the impact on religious scholarship, AI is increasingly employed to analyze and interpret sacred texts. With algorithms sifting through vast amounts of textual data, questions arise about the implications for traditional methods of interpreting religious scriptures. Does AI enhance our understanding of these sacred texts, or does it risk altering the nuanced interpretations passed down through generations? AI and religious education. Education forms a cornerstone of religious practices, and AI is making inroads into this realm. Online courses, virtual religious schools, and AI-assisted learning experiences are becoming more prevalent. How do these technological advancements impact the transmission of religious knowledge and values? We'll explore the potential benefits and pitfalls of integrating AI into the educational aspects of various belief systems. AI and spiritual exploration. Some argue that AI can facilitate spiritual exploration on an individual level. Personalized meditation guides, virtual pilgrimages, and AI-assisted spiritual counseling are emerging as tools for seekers. How are these applications influencing spiritual growth, and do they complement or challenge traditional approaches to enlightenment and self-discovery? We'll delve into the evolving landscape of AI's role in personal spiritual journeys. Concerns and criticisms. As with any technological advancement, Concerns and criticisms surround the integration of AI into religious contexts. We'll address fears regarding the potential dehumanization caused by excessive reliance on AI. Additionally, we'll explore critiques about the impact on genuine religious experiences, questioning whether technology might inadvertently diminish the authenticity of spiritual connections. AI and cultural sensitivity. Culture plays a significant role in shaping religious practices, and AI must navigate cultural nuances when interacting with believers from diverse backgrounds. How does AI account for these subtleties? And what role does cultural sensitivity play in the development and deployment of AI within religious contexts? We'll examine the importance of respecting cultural diversity in the integration of AI into religious practices. Future perspectives. As we wrap up our exploration, let's cast our gaze into the future. How might AI continue to influence religious thinking? What potential advancements or challenges lie ahead in this evolving relationship between technology and spirituality? Join me in pondering the trajectory of this dynamic intersection, where faith and innovation intersect in intriguing and sometimes unexpected ways. As we conclude today's deep dive into AI and religious thinking, it's evident that this intersection presents complex questions about our beliefs, ethics, and the future of spirituality in a technologically advanced world. I encourage you to share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth explorations. And until next time, stay curious and open to the ever-evolving discussions at the intersection of faith and technology.